Hello, dear friends. This is the Phone Support channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this short video, I want to show and tell you how you can download videos from TikTok without watermarks and for free. And do it in a couple of seconds. Watch. First, we go into TikTok and find the video we want to download. After that, we click on the button, Share, and then you click here, Copy link. That's this button, not the download button of the video. Because if we click Download Video, it will download with a watermark, and we don't need that. So we just click on the Copy Link button. You have copied the link. Now you can get out of the application and go to any browser. You go into the browser, Safari, and here we open the website, which is called stick.com. I'll leave a link to this site in the attached comment under this video. Or you can just write its name in the search. Here we see TikTok Downloader. Find the search box, which is just below. Paste the link that we copied into this line. Click Download. We wait a couple of seconds. The download will go very quickly. Now click here, Download Video. Click on Download. Close this window. The video has been downloaded. Click here, Open Download. Open our video. In order to take the video to the gallery of our iPhone or Android, click on Share. Go down a little lower and click Save Video. Now the video has been downloaded to our gallery. We can check it. To do this, leave here and go to the gallery of your phone. Open the pictures and find the video we just downloaded, absolutely no watermarks. We wait a few seconds and swipe. And this is the video I want. It's already watermarked. That's an easy way to do it. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. That was the Phone Support channel. Bye bye. See you later.